impulse. With physics, impulse is the force that is being applied to something over a period of time. So impulse is equal to force times time. So if we have, looking at our units, we are looking at something that has a Newton second for its unit. A Newton second is the same thing as a kilogram meter per second. So these two things all have units. Those units are impulse. So here is a problem. What is the impulse of a 19 Newton object on a table for a half a second? So what do we know? We know 19 newtons. A Newton is a unit of force. So we know force is equal to 19 newtons. We also know 0.5. Well, it's 0.5 seconds. So that is time. Time is 0.5 seconds. So we're wanting to know impulse. Impulse is equal to force times time, which is 19 times 0.5, which is 9.5 Newton seconds. So it has an impulse of 9.5 Newton seconds. So now we have a mass that has an impulse of 200 Newton seconds, and that impulse is applied for 4 seconds. So what's the force being applied? Well, we know impulse is 200 Newton seconds. We know time is 4 seconds. So we know impulse equals force times time. So that's 200 equals force times 4. So F is then equal to 200 divided by 4, which is 50 newtons. So our force that's being applied is 50 newtons. So we've looked at impulse, we've looked at the force and the time to solve these things. Well, there is something else. Just like energy, you have impulses related to something else, and that is momentum. Impulse equals momentum. And we will get to that in the next video.